If your Subaru from the mid-2000s sounds like that, then what you want to do is check the belt tension. Most likely a loose belt is causing the squeaking, and you have to adjust the tension on these belts regularly. They should move about 1/4 of an inch between the pulleys. So take the two 10mm bolts off and one 10mm nut. Then remove the plastic cover, and there is a 12mm bolt here. You just need to loosen a couple of turns, and then you'll be able to remove the other belt cover and get access to the belt. So you can see it's pretty loose there, and so is that one. That's definitely why it was squeaking. So there's a bolt right here that you just need to loosen up, and that will allow you to adjust the tension of the belt by cranking this one clockwise to make it tighter. That's for the front belt. And you keep doing that until you've got 1/4 inch of play in the belt, and then tighten the bolt back down and you're good. And then on the pulley, on the bottom one, you have to loosen up the nut in the middle of the pulley, then turn that one clockwise to move the pulley down to tighten up the belt to get 1/4 inch of tension. And then once that's done, you just tighten that nut in the middle of the pulley again, and you are good. Then put the belt cover back on. Your 10mm bolt goes in there. And then you want to remember to tighten that one up to hold it in place. Put your plastic cover on. Your other 10mm bolt goes in there, and your 10mm nut goes on the side to hold it in place. And then it's the moment of truth. You want to fire it up and just make sure that your squeak is gone.